Hey there, everyone. Get ready because today I've got an incredible dye hack that's going to change the way you deal with pesky insects at home. After this tip, your home will never be the same. To get started, grab a container. We'll need just 1 spoon of coffee grounds. And don't worry, it's the small one. Next, we're going to need some toothpaste. You can use any toothpaste you have at home. Let's add 1 spoon of toothpaste to our mixture. Now mix everything very well until it reaches a pasty consistency. It should look something like this, just like a paste. Now, let's take a roll of toilet paper and tear off a piece. Go ahead and grab a nice big piece. Fold it in half, just like so. That should do it. Now fold it in half again and then twist it like this. It should look like a cord. Take the paste we just made and spread it all over the cord. Make sure it's evenly coated. Now take a little bit in your hands and moisten the paper. Spread it all over the paper like this. Now you'll need a glass container. It can be a glass cup or a bottle, but it has to be glass. Put the cord inside the container, making sure to leave a good portion inside while leaving a piece sticking out. Light the tip, but don't let it catch fire. Just enough to smolder. Wait for it to burn a bit, and there you have it. Now, you've just created a wonderful homemade repellent. With this tip, you can say goodbye to flies, roaches, ants, and especially flying insects like flies and mosquitoes. Place it near a window inside your house or even outside. The toothpaste masks the smell of burnt paper, and the coffee aroma drives insects, especially mosquitoes, away. And there you have it, folks. It's a super cool and effective tip. Give it a try at home, and you'll definitely love the results.